we'll be looking into weblogic 10.3.6 installation on a Linux machine from a command line mode. Before that, we need to download the weblogic jars. Let's start downloading it. Logic server download. I go to the first link, which will take me to the Oracle downloads. I accept the license agreement and I come down to Oracle WebLogic Server 10.3.6. I take up the generic version, which is close to 1 GB. I have this particular jar already downloaded. Let's go to the command line mode. I have this particular jar present. Before installation, we will have to check whether Java is installed or not, and even the Java home path. We have both installed. So let's start installation. Java-jar, this particular file name. It will take me to the console mode. Waiting for extraction. Okay, now this is the first menu which you will be getting once the installer is extracted. Click on next. This is asking me for the home directory. I will keep the home directory as same, home destiny Oracle middleware. Let's click on next. Here, if it's asking for me if we need a security updates or anything, so this security updates is captioned as yes. I would like to disable this, so I'll press 3. I will enter no, I don't want it, and I confirm this by clicking yes. So now you see the security updates has been turned to no. I'll click next. It is asking me whether if I want a typical or a custom installation, so I would go for a typical installation. So here it is asking if we can add a new JDK path or it's taking the existing. We have already checked JDK is present and it is taking the default path. So, and the estimated size of installation is close to 700 MB. I will be clicking next. So these are the two product directories where it will be installed. WebLogic, we are interested in the first one. Next. So the following products and JDKs will be installed. These are the things which will be installed. A basic summary of what is going to be installed. Next. So this is the installation file. Let's wait for the installation to complete. So the installation is currently complete. I would press enter to continue. Yes, this is the end of installation of WebLogic. We would see whether it is installed or not. So let's go to CD Oracle middleware WLS server 10.3, and here you can see the files, common server and other things. So thanks for watching this video.